Hi guys, my name is Presley, and my sister Dawson is back there. But last time she tried to turn around the camera, she dropped it, so she's not going to really say her name. But today I'm going to do my slime video. Oh, sorry, that was my brother's Nerf gun. So I'm going to do one of my slimes today because I have like a lot of slimes. So this one is my what's it called?
Grape slime.
Yeah, this one's called grape slime.
We named it ourselves.
Yeah, as you guys can tell. But this slime is really sticky. That's why I brought contact solution. And I did bring some lotion, but... So, let's just get right on with the video. So, this one is... This one is my favorite kind of slime. It is really pokey. It is stretchy. But it's really sticky. So, yeah.
Oh, you don't want to actually put your whole palm on it because if you do, it's going to stick all over your hand.
I'll give you an example. That's how it would do. But
it's really easy to come off.
Yeah, so it's not that bad of a
And you don't have to, like, keep pushing it off. If you just, like, do that super fast, it will come right off.
Now it's off. So I'm going to add some contact solution, and then let's just see what it does. So I just add like that much, even though it's kind of a lot to y'all. I just like to add that. But if it starts to go apart, that's a good thing at first for this slime, because it's like a really sticky slime kind of, and it's like a kind of weird slime. Bubble. But if my sister will come up closer for me really fast, if you guys can see it, whenever you like flip it over, like this is like a butter kind of slime. See, like it's like a butter slime. But I don't really know how butter slime like feels, but this one feels like a butter slime.
So in the comments, leave us how butter slime feels.
Like, we have touched fluffy slime before, and so yeah, thank you for zooming in. We're going to add just a little bit more, and if you guys see the Nerf guns, those are my brothers, and if you guys see this stuff, we just got done editing a video, that's magic, and go and subscribe to, what's his name? It starts with the magic. I'm so sorry, guys, I forgot his name. But he is phenomenal. He taught me this trick. He taught me and my sister that trick. And yeah. So let's just see this one. And if you guys can hear that noise in the background, I promise it is my brother's.
All three of them.
Yep. Only 2 girls.
Watch out! Ah!
My sister likes to mess around with slime like a lot. That's why she's so crazy with it.
You do too.
I am gonna adding some super smooth body lotion. This lotion is really good. So, but it may make it like a little bit more sticky, but that's okay. I just like how to mix it in, and then whenever you mix it in, it like starts to go apart, and then it starts to come together again. I like to mix it like this, like really fast sometimes. But I don't know why it didn't do it that time.
I just keep poking mine and flipping it over and poking it and flipping it over.
Yeah, she does like this. That's exactly what she does.
I like to poke it. It feels good. Makes that weird sound.
Oh, yeah. If you guys don't know, my favorite YouTube is the Magic one. And it is that YouTube family. So if that YouTube family is watching, thank you so much. Because you guys are the ones who inspire me and my sister to do this. And the Magic one too. Sorry, we don't know the name of the video. We gotta go and look it up fairly fast. But yeah, so thank you so much to that YouTube family. And you guys are really inspiring. So, or sorry if I said that wrong. Oh, and my favorite one is Audrey and Ty and Jordan. And I love you guys as dog. By the way, sorry. So that will be the end of my video. Oh geez.
And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
And let's try to get this video to 500 likes. So yeah, that may not be a lot, but
it's a lot to us.
Yeah.
Just like $500.
So, thanks for watching and have a very, very good night.